顺便，顺便，顺便。
In passing. By the way.
In passing. By the way.
我正好要去超市，我顺便帮你买吧。我正好要去超市，我顺便帮你买吧。我正好要去超市，我顺便帮你买吧。
I happen to be going to the supermarket. Let me buy it for you.
I happen to be going to the supermarket. Let me buy it for you.
你去买牛奶吗？顺便帮我买一盒。你去买牛奶吗？顺便帮我买一盒。你去买牛奶吗？顺便帮我买一盒。
Are you going to buy milk? By the way, buy me a box.
Are you going to buy milk? By the way, buy me a box.
你要是看到小李，顺便告诉他，我今天下午在图书馆学习。你要是看到小李，顺便告诉他，我今天下午在图书馆学习。你要是看到小李，顺便告诉他，我今天下午在图书馆学习。
By the way, if you see Xiao Li, tell him I am studying in the library this afternoon.
By the way, if you see Xiao Li, tell him I am studying in the library this afternoon.
台，台，台。
Measure word used for machines.
Measure word used for machines.
他刚买了一台新电视。他刚买了一台新电视。他刚买了一台新电视。
She just bought a new TV.
She just bought a new TV.
爸爸送她一台洗衣机。爸爸送她一台洗衣机。爸爸送她一台洗衣机。
Dad gave her a washing machine.
Dad gave her a washing machine.
你能帮我看看这台电脑出了什么问题吗？你能帮我看看这台电脑出了什么问题吗？你能帮我看看这台电脑出了什么问题吗？
Can you help me find out what's wrong with this computer?
Can you help me find out what's wrong with this computer?
光，光，光。
Only. Merely.
Only. Merely.
光说不做是不会成功的。光说不做是不会成功的。光说不做是不会成功的。
Mere talk without action will not lead to success.
Mere talk without action will not lead to success.
光为自己是自私的行为。光为自己是自私的行为。光为自己是自私的行为。
It is selfish behavior to act just for yourself.
It is selfish behavior to act just for yourself.
你光听一个小孩说的话是不行的。你光听一个小孩说的话是不行的。你光听一个小孩说的话是不行的。
You can't just listen to what a child says.
You can't just listen to what a child says.
实在，实在，实在。
Really.
Really.
我实在走不动了，休息一下吧。我实在走不动了，休息一下吧。我实在走不动了，休息一下吧。
I really can't walk anymore. Let's take a rest.
I really can't walk anymore. Let's take a rest.
我实在受不了他的坏脾气。我实在受不了他的坏脾气。我实在受不了他的坏脾气。
I really can't stand her bad temper.
I really can't stand her bad temper.
好朋友的离去，他实在很难过。好朋友的离去，他实在很难过。好朋友的离去，他实在很难过。
She was really sad that her good friend had passed away.
She was really sad that her good friend had passed away.
制冷，制冷，制冷。
Refrigeration. Cooling.
Refrigeration. Cooling.
这台冰箱的制冷效果变差了。这台冰箱的制冷效果变差了。这台冰箱的制冷效果变差了。
The cooling effect of this refrigerator has deteriorated.
The cooling effect of this refrigerator has deteriorated.
这台空调太旧了，制冷效果不是很好。这台空调太旧了，制冷效果不是很好。这台空调太旧了，制冷效果不是很好。
This air conditioner is too old. The cooling effect is not very good.
This air conditioner is too old. The cooling effect is not very good.
如果制冷效果不好，就买一台新的。如果制冷效果不好，就买一台新的。如果制冷效果不好，就买一台新的。
If the cooling effect is not good, buy a new one.
If the cooling effect is not good, buy a new one.
效果，效果，效果。
Effect. Result.
Effect. Result.
不按时吃药会影响药的效果。不按时吃药会影响药的效果。不按时吃药会影响药的效果。
Not taking medicine on time will affect the effectiveness of the medicine.
Not taking medicine on time will affect the effectiveness of the medicine.
让孩子主动学习，效果会更好。让孩子主动学习，效果会更好。让孩子主动学习，效果会更好。
Let children take the initiative to learn, and the effect will be better.
Let children take the initiative to learn, and the effect will be better.
要提高孩子的学习效果，最重要是让他们对事物产生兴趣。要提高孩子的学习效果，最重要是让他们对事物产生兴趣。要提高孩子的学习效果，最重要是让他们对事物产生兴趣。
To improve children's learning results, the most important thing is to make them interested in things.
To improve children's learning results, the most important thing is to make them interested in things.
现金，现金，现金。
Cash.
Cash.
我忘了带现金，你能借我10块钱吗？我忘了带现金，你能借我10块钱吗？我忘了带现金，你能借我10块钱吗？
I forgot to bring cash. Can you lend me 10 yuan?
I forgot to bring cash. Can you lend me 10 yuan?
我的现金不够，我能用信用卡吗？我的现金不够，我能用信用卡吗？我的现金不够，我能用信用卡吗？
I don't have enough cash. Can I use a credit card?
I don't have enough cash. Can I use a credit card?
大多数消费者在付账时都使用无现金支付。大多数消费者在付账时都使用无现金支付。大多数消费者在付账时都使用无现金支付。
Most consumers use cashless payments when paying bills.
Most consumers use cashless payments when paying bills.
谢谢观看。